Stars, how are you all? Welcome to the class of Business Studies. Today we are going to discuss about the topic Sources of Business Finance. Business finance connects finances of business activity. It is an activity process which is concerned with acquisition of funds, use of funds and distribution of profits by the business firms. Thus, business finance usually deals with financial planning, acquisition of funds, use and allocation of funds and financial controls. If we talk about the nature of business finance, then business finance is the lifeblood of any enterprise. All types of activities, either small or big, trading or manufacturing, they require finances. And the requirement of these finances differ from one business to another business and from time to time also. There is no need for fixed as well as there is always the need for fixed as well as working capital. Availability of sufficient finances is very essential for carrying out the activities of business properly and smoothly. Finance is the fundamental requirement of carrying out business activities because if there is no money, the business cannot exist at all. If we talk about the classification of financial needs, then there are two types: fixed capital and working capital requirements. Fixed capital means the finances which are required to purchase fixed assets, meeting the cost of promotions, purchase of intangible assets, patents, copyrights, etc. and the machinery, the equipments which are used for very long periods in the business. Working capital, the finance needed to meet day-to-day activities of operations is known as working capital. It is required to buy current assets which get converted into cash in a short period of time. The sources of business finance can be divided on the basis of ownership, owner's fund and borrowed funds. Owner's fund are called ownership securities to raise the capital stock. They remain with business on permanent basis because they belong to the owner itself. They have controlling rights over working of business. If the company has surplus earnings, then these may be distributed to shareholders in the form of dividends. The reinvested profits belong to the owners of the business and no security is required for raising the owner's funds. Borrowed funds are those which are raised by way of borrowing or credits from the public, commercial banks or financial institutions. They include public deposits, bank loans, loans raised from financial institutions, etc. They are the temporary sources of business and they are for specific period will have to be returned on expiry of that period. They can be raised for different periods, for short term, for mid term, for long term, and the lenders of the borrowing funds have no voting rights and cannot interfere in management of the company. Borrowed funds may be raised by giving security of tangible assets of the business. Under owner's fund, we have equity shares, preference shares, retained earnings, global depository receipts, American depository receipts, Indian depository receipts, etc. And under borrowed funds, we have debentures and bonds, loans from commercial banks, loans from financial institutions, public deposits, trade credits, intercorporate deposits, etc. We will talk about these sources in detail in our next videos. So this was all for today. In our next video, we will study about. If you have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Stars. Take care, all of you.